This is our lesson 5 on Nour Al-Bayan. Our today's topic is Al-Huruf Al-Mutashabihah Al-Kitab, meaning letters that are similar in writing. These letters are similar in writing. We can see this is Ba'un and this is Nunun. Ba'un has dots under and Nunun has dots at the top. You can see they are very similar in writing, but they are not the same. This is Ba and this is Na. Ba, Na. This is Ta. You can see Ta has two dots at the top and Ya has two dots at the down. Ta, Ya. You can see they are very similar in writing. Then the Sa, you can see Sa'un and Shinun. You can see it Sa, Sha. They have similarity in writing. Then Jimun, Kha'un, Jimun, Kha'un. You can see Jimun has dots, one dot at the down, and Kha'un has one dot at the top. Kha'un, Dalun. You can see they have similarity in writing, but they are not the same at all. Zayu, Ra'un. Zayu, here is Zayu. You can see the Zalun has one dot and Ra'un has no dots. They have similarity in writing. Then this is Dalun, Dalun. You can see they have similarity in writing, but this is Da, Da, Do, Sa, Do, Sa. Where you can differentiate them is the one dot at the top. This Do has one dot at the top. Do, Sa, and Va, Ta. Va'un has one dot at the top. Ta'un has no dots. Ghainun, Ghainun has one dot at the top. Ainun has no dots. Shinun, Sinun. You can see Shinu has three dots and Sinu has no dots. Sha, Sa, Dadun, Qafun. This is Dadun. Dadun has one dot. Qafun has two dots. You can see it clearly. Lamun, Kafun. You can see they have similarity, but not that too similar. Lamun, Kafun. Ta'un, Ha'un. You can see Ta'un and Ha'un has similarity. Ta'un has two dots, Ha'un has no dots. Alifun and Lamun. Alifun has Hamza at the top. Alifun and Hamza are the same. Alifun and Lamun. Ainun, Ghainun, Gha. Ainun has no dots. Ghainun has dots. Ta'un has two dots and Ha'un has no dots. If you can see it, you see this Ta'un and this Ta'un, they are the same, because if you watch my last lesson, this Ta'un and this Ta'un, they are the end Ta'un. Ha'un also, this is the end Ha'un. Nunun and Zalun, you can see they have similarity, but you can see how they write Zalun and how they write Nunun. Nunun has one dot, Zalun also has one dot. Dadun and Ghainun. Dadun and Ghainun. Dadun has one dot, Ghainun has one dot, but you can differentiate it way how they write it, how they write it. Ainun, Ghainun. Ainun, Ghainun. Here is Ainun. Ghainun has dots. Ainun has no dots. Hamza and Ainun. You can see Ainun is bigger than Hamza in writing. You can see, but they have similarity. This is the end of today's lesson. Inshallah, don't forget to follow us for more.